Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer your Chainlink tokens from Phantom Wallet to Coinbase Wallet in 2025. With crypto being more integrated than ever, managing your assets across platforms is essential for staying ahead. Whether you're diversifying your portfolio or just organizing your holdings, this step-by-step guide will make it easy and secure. First things first, let's cover the basics. You'll need a Phantom wallet with some Chainlink linked tokens and a Coinbase wallet set up and verified. Also, ensure you have a stable internet connection and some Ether gas fees ready, as blockchain transactions still require that in 2025. Alright, let's dive in. Step 1. Open your Phantom wallet. This could be the app on your phone or the browser extension, whichever you use. Once you're in, navigate to your assets and select your Chainlink tokens. Step 2. Hit the Send or Transfer button. You'll see a form pop up where you can enter the details. Step 3. Copy your Coinbase wallet address. Head over to your Coinbase app, go to your wallet, and find the receive address for Chainlink. Double check this. It's crucial to avoid any mix-ups. Step 4. Paste the address into the Phantom wallet send form, enter the amount of Chainlink you want to transfer, and review the transaction fees. In 2025, with improved blockchain tech, fees might be lower, but always confirm. Step 5. Hit confirm and authorize the transaction. You'll likely need to verify with your wallet's security features, like biometrics or a PIN. Step 6. Sit tight and wait for the confirmation. This usually takes a minute or two, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Coinbase wallet to see your Chainlink tokens arrive. A few quick tips. Always use official apps to prevent scams, and consider using hardware wallets for extra security in 2025's evolving landscape. If you run into issues, like a stuck transaction, reach out to the wallet's support. There you have it. That's how you seamlessly transfer Chainlink between wallets. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.